Hello everyone, welcome back to Flanders Tapestry. Today I'm going to show you a few tips on how to start your tapestry kit. First of all, I'm going to show you how to thread a needle very easily. Take the two ends of the yarn and put them together. Cut a small piece of paper. Put the yarn in between the paper and then slide the piece of paper through the eye of the needle. And this is how you easily thread a needle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check us out on our website where we sell lots of different projects like this kit, which includes everything you need to make this stunning cabbage cushion. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and use the Insta10 to get a 10% discount on all your purchases. See you in the next video.